Hey
guys, what's up? This is their channel, the Blasian Twins.
Hi guys.
I'm their cousin Ava. Today we're gonna be doing a slime challenge. So they have never made slime before. So basically, I'm the only person who's ever made slime, but it's only been 3 times. So I'm gonna try and teach them how to make slime. So yeah.
Wait.
Okay.
Subscribe and like the vid.
Yeah.
That's our uncle.
Okay.
So
follow her on Instagram. We'll put it down below.
Yeah.
Description.
Description below. Okay, let's just get on.
Sorry if
to
this is
the
a
video.
crappy video because we're not that good at editing yet.
Okay, that's
so.
fine.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go. So,
Are we going to transition or that?
Okay. I'm not going to be saying anything. So basically, they just have to watch what I'm doing and try and make it right. Okay, so.
Oh wait, what are we doing?
Look here, Maya doesn't know how to make slime at all, so this is going to be...
How much am I putting in here?
Ooh. See, I'm sitting down because I
Why
can't
put
stand
so
it.
little?
So it's-
Yeah, that's the same video.
Shh, stop talking.
So half of the bottle? We are putting half the bottle.
I'll put the whole bottle.
No.
Oh, oops. I did, see? Give me the borax.
Alright, now we're using borax.
We got this at Target for $3.99.
Go back to Liza and do it. Target. We should do one of the other.
Who's excited for school?
Not me.
Because
Having a little difficulty
I am.
over here.
Help me help you.
Girl, what you trying to do? 'Cause
I'm not the low gang. Stop. I'm the Jake Paulers. Chessa.
10.
Yeah, but the Paulers.
Struggle.
Why won't you go get a knife or something?
Why don't we just open the top?
Because then we.
Yeah, but it's so hard to stick the spoon in there.
You can open this. And not spill this, and we'll be in trouble.
Okay. Silence again.
Where's my spoon?
What do you say?
Please. Okay, how much do we need?
Can't tell you. As much as you think.
Okay, so I guess not too much. You put borax in the water little by little.
Malia, you don't know what you're
No.
Not in there.
Oh.
Into the water.
You weren't supposed to tell me.
Someone who's
It all Gucci. Be good. They all combine all together anyway. Doesn't matter. I'm gonna put a little bit more because Maya's extra like that.
Don't. It's gonna ruin your
we're gonna
slime.
ruin it.
Okay, well I'll just put this much. Oh, I can't stand up. Too tall.
I just pour some of that in there.
It's not looking good so far. I mean, it's looking okay, but Ew. Okay, yeah. Needs more borax.
I put too much water in here. Did I?
We getting that messy? I'm super scrunchy.
Well, so far what it's looking like. I don't know if you guys can see that.
Mine looks like this.
Water and borax in it because Maya's just that slow. Yeah.
It ain't that I ain't got your back.
I'm gonna just go like this. Oh, but there's still some. Okay, it doesn't matter.
Ooh, I don't want to touch it.
Just touch it. Stop being a fraidy cat.
How do you put? Just touch it.
Already touched mine.
Can I mix it with a spoon?
Yeah, Ava's the more messy one.
I'm so extra.
Dang. It's like liquidy.
I'm just trying to like wash off my fingers in the borax water. Because hopefully that'll help. Like,
I feel like I should add some more glue to make it bigger.
Extra.
That good?
This don't even look like slime. This looks like.
What did you do to it?
Let me see.
Just mixing it.
Just add enough until it comes together.
It's like not even slime.
By the way, we don't have bowls because like they didn't have disposable bowls. So we're just using cups. Like yeah. Ooh yeah, mine's coming together. Oh shoot, I got red into it. Oh no! Oh no!
That's my slime.
Ooh.
Mine's working.
Yeah.
HBU.
Icky on me. Sorry,
Mine
guys.
was like
Okay,
8.
so,
Well, y'all put a lot more glue. Look at you guys complaining how much glue I put.
is that good, Ava?
No, I said you should put more glue in Maya.
Is that good, Ava?
No, don't do it now. You can just make more and add it later.
Is that good, Ava? I think it's good now. Right?
Don't do it because then.
Maya.
Look, Maya doesn't follow the rules.
Okay.
Well, this is mine.
This is mine.
As we see, me and Ava did it right.
And this is mine, still in here.
Extra.
Oh, I like this. I really do. You got really messy. I look how messy I got. I barely got messy. See that?
They don't care.
Now, Ava, show them yours. That's how much she got. See me?
What is this?
What is
It's
it?
not even slime.
Yeah, it is. Just work with it.
Ma, you dumped up. Here. Let me see it.
Don't touch it. I can't stand. This is what mine look like. Oops.
It's okay if it gets.
What should we put the color in?
We're gonna do that once we transition. Once mine is actually done with a good slime.
Okay, we're not editing this. Okay.
No, we got to edit this. We
I can't
forgot an
trans-
ingredient, so we gotta
I can't
edit.
transition.
What ingredient did we forget?
Okay, let me go get the lotion. I'll be back. Yeah.
Dang, how y'all make slime? Can I redo mine?
Here, let me show you.
Wait. You have lotion right, Leah?
What did Ava's just?
Yeah, it's in the room.
I got it myself.
Hold on, come here, Mike.
I already put water.
Mix it up.
Just did it. It's not.
See what happens when you don't listen to direction? Fail.
I was listening to the directions.
Honestly, I don't think any of them care. I mean, like zero, because nobody's gonna watch this anyway, so. Can I feel yours? Okay. Can I not? None of these is clean. Stop. Not the lotion, bro. I just got unscented because then if you want to add another scented lotion later, you can. This is the Avenue.
Guys, look at that plane.
Avino. My
Let
bad.
me add some to
Is that
mine.
even a? Is that somebody in there, or is that like a play one?
Alright, so what we do?
Oh, somebody's in
Some
there.
lotion to make it
Okay, so you add some lotion. Yo, your slime is good. Look at mine. What did I do? You added too much oil. Okay, mine's gonna remake hers. Okay, remake hers. But don't use all your glue, because what if you want to make another one? Make the right target, 50 cents. It is? Not a sponsored video, guys. But you know you want to hit us up with that. You good? Yep. See, now mine's really stretchy. And guys, if you want, you can add, you can put it in the microwave for a 5-second interval just to make it. Much work for this. And then mix it up, and then if you need more, then you add more. Always do a little because you can always add more. You put too much, then you can't add more. You need to take it out. Oh yeah, you can't take it out. My bad. I think this is amazing scent. This might be like one of the best ones I've ever made. It's so stretchy. This might sound terrible out of color. normally told you guys to post every Thursday, but we're not that good at this yet, so it's Sunday. I know, but like, we'll post it on Thursday. No, but I want to post it today, so I can watch it today. What is this? But don't ruin it. Why is yours borax again? I'm really trying with you. There's a ton of borax at the bottom. That's why it keeps failing. Okay, do it again. Do mine. You want me to use mine? Slime that. Here, mine. I'll do yours. No, I got it. Because otherwise it won't be hers if you make it. Oh! Snazzy, slimy.
Woo! Still going. Third one.
Like glue melting in my hands.
Okay, then dip it in borax. Just dip it like in the. You can always like this. Try and microwave it. You might still be able to use it. I'm not sure, but if you microwave it, you might be able to use it in.
Our video's already 13 minutes.
Okay, this is like a really long video, but I like really long videos because then you don't have to find any videos. Just watch this one.
There's Maya.
Keep working with it, girl.
Sorry it's taking for us for color because over here didn't listen.
Okay, add this one to this one, just to see if we can make it better, and then add lotion to that, and then we can color that one and microwave it later to see if we can make it work.
It looks kind of good, Maya.
We don't have a lot of the resources to make like other slimes, so.
But if
We
you
don't have
want us to, let us know and we will try to make another one.
We gotta have like, like fake nails. You have to like go like this.
It's pretty hard, but
I was the only. I was the
The
only.
one who didn't use that much. I didn't use that much. Me either. I just all the way down here. Really?
it's okay. Okay.
I'm coloring it a big one. So, I'm coloring mine gold. I'm coloring mine red. Okay, you color yours, Maya. She'll find out when I put it in. Yours are so good. Mine's like... I'm stuck. Okay, Maya. My bad. Battery low. Anyways, you have open Ava?
Hey guys, back at it again with the Evans twins. Sorry, our camera had gone dead, but here's the results of our slime. I had added blue into my red to make it look purple because purple is my favorite color. I really like the texture, and it's very slimy. Like, it's not that sticky. Like, when you leave it in a bag for a while, you might want to play with it around so it's not as sticky no more.
So this is my gold one. It looks like this. Very gold. Oh no.
That's my blue one right there.
Oh, no.
Nobody's messing with it.
Oh no, there's gold in it.
Maya, as we know, messed up 3 times on hers, but it's still good. Not as slimy like ours. Oh, see? Look at that.
Okay, well, we'll talk to you guys later. Bye.